Or when you're tumbling out of your bed, you don't know if you're dead or alive. And you make your way through the wakening day till you're climbing aboard a Black 5. Well, you're leaving the station behind, and you're shoveling mile after mile, and the kids all wave at the master and slave, and the passengers riding in style. Well, you're up and you're groping for coal, for the fire has blinded your eye. Fill the boiler's need and the fire hole's deal, riding runaway wheels, there's a devil astride a Black 5.